Hello, welcome to Popalong RC, the RC car channel dedicated to RC car racing. We're here today in the beautiful British woodlands, ready for some fantastic RC car action. So the car of choice today is this massive 1/7 scale Rolalo rally car. Now, we do like a rally car on the channel. Haven't seen one in a little while, but this is absolutely amazing. Let's see how it gets on. Look at that. That looks stunning actually. So I guess let's take the old lid off and have a little look at the innards on this. So thank you, my glamorous assistant. That was beautifully done. Right, I tell you what I like straight away is the fact that you've got like this this connection module here. I'm going to call it a connection module because it sounds good, and it just touches here and then all your lights will just come on without you faffing around and stuff like that. And what Rolalo have done in their, you know, in their genius way of doing things is they've got one of these little clips here which clips the shell on and off, and it's just a little pinch clip up here. So they really are thinking outside of the box when it comes to putting the old tops on these cars, because it's a pain sometimes and you lose things. Anyway, let's have a quick look. I'll come around this way. All right, so what do we got? We've got it's quite a long chassis. It's not too dissimilar from the 1/8 version that we've got, which they've, you know, just kind of released. Again, belt and braces all the way through. It's got a centre diff, which you're going to need because we're going to be using it on sort of loose dirt and things like that. Obviously a diff up front, a diff up back. Massive great shocks. The power units are pretty robust in these cars. We've not had any issues before. In actual fact, the cars themselves are absolutely belt, braces, super duper strong. Now, the only thing I'm looking at, and I'm thinking I might be a bit worried about this, is this little bit here. Now, this little bit here, we broke on their 1/8 car here and here. It was a weak point, but doubtful we're going to be hammering this, jumping it and things like that like we did with the buggy. So I should imagine it will be all right, but time will tell. And we're running it on a 4S today, and we run these rapid batteries because we like them. They're really good. Link in the description for those. So there you go. It is a massive car. It's 1/7 scale, and we shall see how we get on. Nice patterns on the bottom there, as always with the Rolalo stuff. And a little exhaust here. Has it got a light in it? Yes, it's got a little light in the exhaust as well. Goodness me, amazing. The attention to detail is always good on these things. You know, if you always look around the car, you will find little hidden gems. For example, here on the tyre, actually says Rolalo. How nice is that? Enough of that, let's get this thing on the trail.
Right, we've had a little bit of a play so far. It's been good, but I think we need some challenges. How about we do the best drift challenge?
So well, look at this, there's a tree here. We can drift around this tree.
We could do, but you get to choose your spot where you want to do your drift, and then I'll choose my spot to do my drift, and then we'll put the two drifts up and you guys can vote who does the best drift.
Yeah.
Pro Racer Mark or Club Racer Cole.
Time for my drift then.
Which one are you going to do? We've got plenty to choose from.
I think I might go for a nice long sweeping drift round here.
That's almost a straight line, boss.
Not how I do it, it ain't.
All right, fair enough. Let's see what happens
Straight
with this.
Line. That won't be a straight line. See? Amazing.
I'm going to take the drifting competition as well.
That was quite nice. That was
That
a nice
was-
drift. So we're in the middle of the woods. Deep, I don't even know, where are we? Are we lost or?
No, we're in Ashridge. It's a
We're
nice
in
little spot. We
Ashridge.
found a quiet little place.
What have we
are,
done now? What's
well,
happening
we've got a
here?
little track. All we've done is moved a few little bits of wood around. Took about
Did you used
30
to go,
seconds.
did you used to build dens when you was a kid?
Yeah, all the time.
I can tell.
I love it.
It's
But
amazing.
we've got a little track. So we're now into competition mode. So it's me versus you. I'll show you the track. We'll have a couple of practices and then we'll get the stopwatches out and see who wins. But the track it's down here.
All right.
I'm going to start nice and slow. Can't see it as it passes the back of the tree, but we're looking at going this way. We're going to fly through this section here. And there's actually 2 little lumps behind there you've got to be careful of. Through there, and then back out. So it's your turn now to go round the track. So get yourself ready. Let's see how Mark gets on. Off we go. I'm not sure you've grasped the concept of this. I've made a track for us, boss. Boss, you're going the wrong way.
Do you understand? Do you understand how much fun that was just then?
Yeah, but we're having a competition around the trees.
Ah!
Come on, do it proper.
Okay.
Let's see. On your marks, get set, go. Oh, he's gone a bit deep there. Mark does like to pull that trigger. He's a little bit more of an aggressive driver than me, but he's going deep. We don't really care, he's just having fun.
Didn't see that. That is a lot of fun. I've had more fun today with this car than I've actually had in a long time. I think we forget why we do RC sometimes, you know, we go racing and stuff like that, which is fun, but this is super fun as opposed to just fun. Right, let's see if we can do it. It's looking good. It's worth noting that we've turned the gyro off. It has got a gyro function on it.
I don't think that, for the gyro, I don't think it'll get round the track, to be fair.
I don't think it would get around it with a gyro. The gyro's good, it stabilises it, but it's an on or off function on this one. Whoa! Oh, what?
Still going?
Still going, okay.
Okay, so we have a tree smack bang in the middle. This is the start-finish line. 3 laps in the quickest time possible. First up, we have Pro Racer Mark. I'm going to zoom out so you can see the full effect of the dust clouds. On your marks, get set, go! Okay, so we're around the tree. Tight little chicane. Nicely done. And then he's going to go down, round. Very drifty corner this. And he's through for 1 lap. He's actually saved it up for the final run because this is the best he's driven all day. And that is 2 laps. Unbelievable. Lovely little drift there. This is looking good. He needs to get round this corner and then hit for the finish, and he's across the line. How do you think that went, boss?
That was nice. I've got a confession though.
Go on then.
I did put the gyro back on for that.
It was noticeable. That looked
It's
easy
much
to drive.
easier with that, to be fair.
I'm going to switch it off for my go.
Game on, game on, game on. Is it me or did he think, what are you guys doing?
I
with
think
the
there was
little
some
car?
judgment there.
There was some judgment. He went past and that guy shook his head at us. Right, on your marks, get set, go. 3rd time lucky, boss. 3rd time lucky. If anything, it's carving out an amazing track. Okay. 1. That was nice. This is the one. Come on. This is the 2nd lap. That was 2. This is your last lap. Oh, I saved it. Oh. And
I think that's just the second lap, isn't it?
3. Go.
Mark keeps the laughter rolling through the rain, finding every silver lining after every pain, building up the spirit one adventure at a time, turning simple moments into something so sublime. Every muddy pathway, every mountain climb, captured in a memory that'll last a lifetime. No matter what tomorrow brings our way, we'll keep on driving into brighter days.
Okay, what's your final thoughts on the car then?
It has been amazing fun. Just fun. Awesome.
Yeah.
Liked our little challenges that we've done today. I think I might pip you to the post on that one. I could be the rally superstar.
Yeah, maybe. But what we need is 2 of these, really.
Then we can have some proper racing.
Yeah, then we can have it. That's been a lot of fun. And 1/7 is, there's definitely a different driving experience with a 1/7 car. I thought it was quite nice to drive it sort of scale speed, really.
Yeah, slightly slower than you can hit it on the 4S. Maybe a 3S battery will be the sweet spot for this car.
Oh, I've just beached it. I've just turned it over. It's all right though, nothing wrong with it. Right, just have fun with it now.
Should we just have fun?
Just absolutely nail it. The good people of YouTube probably want to know how strong this car is. I mean, we ain't going to take it to a skate park and do stupid things like that with it, because it's not what we do. We're just going to, because we like to look after our toys. That was nice. Go on, I'll get a real fast one of it coming past here. I'll get nice and low for the people back at home. Whoa there, this thing's got some guts. That was nice. And again, and again. Do you know what, this is absolutely the perfect conditions for this. We haven't had rain in the UK for way over a month. And it's making for some very fun RC racing. I say racing, I don't know, bashing, I suppose. This thing's great though. I think the only problem we had is we've lost the wing mirror, but who wants to see what's behind you, right?
That's exactly...
Mate, this thing has got some guts. So this on a 4S, could you put 6 in this thing? Probably could, couldn't you?
Actually, when I looked at it, there's only 1 lead, so I think maybe it is topped out at 4S.
Well, 4S is, that's enough. You don't want to, why would you want to put 6 in this thing? Whoa there.
That was skills.
So what's your final verdict on this car then? What are you thinking?
Well, the question is, has that been more interesting than playing on a PlayStation? It's a no-brainer for me.
But we're outdoors people, ain't we?
We're outdoor people.
Come have a go.
No.
What? Yeah, it has been more fun than playing on a PlayStation, because that's not really my bag anyway, but...
Do you know what? You think this is dusty? I was actually walking the dog up here a couple of days ago. I found an even dustier spot than this. So, do you know what? The Rolalo 1/7 rally car. What an amazing piece of kit. I've had a great laugh running this today, and I'm looking forward to the next outing already. But what challenges would you like to see with this car? Shall we do some speed runs? Do we need to take it to a proper Astro track? Or, I don't know, put it in the comments down below. What would you like us to do with this next? See you later.